Hi friends, I'm your Suresh. You're watching Erola Suresh YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, let's concentrate on the previous exam bits asked in NEET examinations from the topic Plant Kingdom in Biology. This is the second video from the same topic. Friends, don't skip this video. Watch this video completely without skipping because each and every bit is very much important in your preparation. So don't neglect any bit. Watching this video completely will make you stronger enough to bear all the pressure at the time of examination. It can give you the recapitulation in good manner. So watch it completely and I wish you all the very best for your preparation. Okay, let's have a glance over the bits. Sexual reproduction involving fusion of two cells in Chlamydomonas is isogamy, homogamy, somatogamy, and hologamy. Answer is option D, hologamy. Which one is wrongly matched? Unflagellate gametes, Polysiphonia, biflagellate zoospores, brown algae, Gemma cups, Markhansia, unicellular organism, Chlorella. Right answer is option A, uniflagellate gametes, Polysiphonia. Which of the following is responsible for peat formation? Markhansia, Rixia, Funaria, and Sphagnum. Correct answer is option D, sphagnum. Which one of the following is common to multicellular fungi, filamentous algae, and protonema of mosses? Diplontic life cycle, members of kingdom Plantae, mode of nutrition, and multiplication by fragmentation. Correct answer is option D, multiplication by fragmentation. Examine the given figure and select the correct option giving all the four parts A, B, C and D rightly identified. The correct answer is option A. A indicates archegoniophore, B indicates female thallus, C indicates gemma cup and D indicates rhizoids. So option A is right answer. Spore dissemination in some liverworts is aided by Indusium, Calyptra, peristome teeth, elaters. Correct answer is option D, elaters. Peat moss is used as a packing material for sending flowers and live plants to distant places because it serves as a disinfectant, it is easily available, it is hygroscopic, it reduces transpiration. Correct answer is option C, it is hygroscopic. In a moss, the sporophyte manufactures food for itself as well as for the gametophyte, is partially parasitic on the gametophyte, produces gametes that give rise to gametophyte, arises from a spore produced from the gametophyte. Correct answer is option B. It is partially parasitic on the gametophyte. The antherozoids of Funaria are multiciliated, monociliated, aciliated, biciliated. Correct answer is option D, biciliated. Bryophyte comprise dominant phase of gametophyte which produces spores, small sporophyte phase and generally parasitic on gametophyte. Sporophyte is of longer duration. Dominant phase of sporophyte which is parasitic. Correct answer is option B, small sporophyte phase and generally parasitic on gametophyte. Which of the following is true about bryophytes? They are thalloid, they possess archegonia, they contain chloroplast, all of these. Right answer is option D, all of these. Bryophytes are dependent on water because water is essential for their vegetative propagation. The sperms can easily reach up to egg in the archegonium. Archegonium has to remain filled with water for fertilization. Water is essential for fertilization for their homosporous nature. Correct answer is option B. The sperms can easily reach up to egg in the archegonium. Bryophytes can be separated from algae because they possess archegonia, contain chloroplast, are thalloid forms, have no conducting tissue. Correct answer is option A. Possess archegonia. Elater mechanism for spore dispersal is exhibited by liverworts, Markhansia, Rixia, Funaria. Answer is option B, Markhansia. The plant body of moss, Funaria, is completely sporophyte, predominantly gametophyte with sporophyte, completely gametophyte, predominantly sporophyte with gametophyte. Correct answer is option B, predominantly gametophyte with sporophyte. In bryophytes, both generations are independent. Gametophytes are dependent upon sporophytes. Sporophytes complete their life cycle. Sporophytes are dependent upon gametophytes. Correct answer is option D. Sporophytes are dependent upon gametophytes. Protonema occurs in the life cycle of Rixia, Funaria, Anthoceras, Spirogyra. Correct answer is option B, Funaria. Bryophytes are amphibians because they require a layer of water for carrying out sexual reproduction. They occur in damp places. They are mostly aquatic. All the above. Correct answer is option A. They require a layer of water for carrying out sexual reproduction. Mass peristome takes part in spore dispersal, photosynthesis, protection, absorption. Correct answer is option A, spore dispersal. Apophysis in the capsula funaria is lower part, upper part, middle part, fertile part. Correct answer is option A, lower part. Strawberry cones are found in Salvinia, Pteris, Markantia, Equisetum. Correct answer is option D, Equisetum. In bryophytes and pteridophytes, transport of male gametes requires birds, water, wind, insects. Right answer is option B, water. Syngamy can occur outside the body of organism in mosses, algae, ferns, fungi. Correct answer is option B, algae. The plant body is thalloid in sphagnum, salvinia, markantia, funaria. Correct answer is option C, markantia. Compared with the gametophytes of the bryophytes, the gametophytes of vascular plants tend to be smaller but to have larger sex organs, larger but to have smaller sex organs, larger and to have larger sex organs, smaller and to have smaller sex organs. Correct answer is option D, smaller and to have smaller sex organs. Archegoniophore is present in Markantia, Cara, Ediantum, Funaria. Correct answer is option A, Markantia. Selaginella and Salvinia are considered to represent a significant step toward evolution of seed habit because female gametophyte is free and gets dispersed like seeds. Female gametophyte lacks archegonia. Megaspores possess endosperm and embryo surrounded by seed coat. Embryo develops in female gametophyte which is retained on parent sporophyte. Correct answer is option D. Embryo develops in female gametophyte which is retained on parent sporophyte. Which one of the following is considered important in the development of seed habit? Heterospory, haplontic life cycle, free living gametophyte, dependent sporophyte. Correct answer is option A, heterospory. Which one of the following is heterosporous? Adiantum, Equisetum, Dryopteris, Salvinia. Correct answer is option D, Salvinia. In the prothallus of a vascular cryptogam, the antherozoids and eggs mature at different times. As a result, there is high degree of sterility. One can conclude that the plant is apomictic. Self-fertilization is prevented. There is no change in success rate of fertilization. Correct answer is option C, self-fertilization is prevented. Plants reproducing by spores such as mosses and ferns are grouped under the general term cryptogams, bryophytes, sporophytes, thallophytes. Correct answer is option A, cryptogams. In ferns, meiosis takes place at the time of spore formation, spore germination, gamete formation, antheridia and archegonia formation. Correct answer is option A, spore formation. Dichotomous branching is found in liverworts, pteridophytes, fern and funaria. Correct answer is option A, liverworts. The walking fern is so named because it propagates vegetatively by its leaf tips. It knows how to walk by itself. Its spores are able to walk. It is dispersed through the agency of walking animals. The correct answer is option A. It propagates vegetatively by its leaf tips. Heterospory and seed habit are often exhibited by a plant possessing petiole, ligule, bract, spathe. Correct answer is option B, ligule. Okay, these are the questions from the topic plant kingdom. I'll upload one more video with some other questions from the same topic. For all these kinds of videos, keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching.